Hi guys! So, itutour ko kayo sa aming tutuluyan or ang aming magiging home for the next 2 days because my cousin is getting married here in Amalfi. Pero nandito kami sa Ravello. So, Ravello is part of Amalfi. And of course, this is in Italy. So, yung cousin ko booked an entire house for our family. Dahil ang dami namin. So, itong buong to ay sa amin. So, yan. Tingnan nyo naman tong view na to, guys. Diba? This is not, I think, not all tourists, I don't know, or ay alam tong lugar na to. Kasi diba, sa Italy, usually, Venice, Rome, Florence, Milan, but bibihira ang nakakaalam dito sa Amalfi. So, bibuksan ko na ang aming magiging home. There's the living room. There's my family. This is the dining. There's a laundry area. Naglalaba na ang aking hi mama. And I'm gonna show you kitchen. Our kitchen. So as I've said, pwede kayong mag-laundry ang aking family. And then let's go to the second floor. Just to check the house. And even here, my veranda. See? Guys, look. Okay, so I'm gonna show you around the different rooms. So there's the room. Okay, that's where will my sister stay and the family. This is room 2. Okay. And this is room 1. Oh, look. This is the biggest room. And this is where my papa and mama will stay. And me. So, see? Overlooking pa din. And look at this lovely bathroom. So, here's the room. In the ground floor, I forgot to ask.
Security guard po si Calvin. Alam mo si Calvin, ayaw niya nga iwan yung luggage niya. Ayaw. Sila niya nakasakit sa
Here we go.
Halika na. Ravello Amalfi.
Halika, ano dito ka?
Ang dami naman. Amalfi na lang.
Ang dami.
Welcome to Amalfi.
Oh, isa na.
Welcome to Amalfi.
Compress kayo konti.
Ako na lang magsasabi ng welcome to Amalfi. Tapos lahat tayo. To Abby and Nathan.
Cheers!
Sige.
Alala mo kaming baso.
Pero dito kayo sa ano dapat tayo.
Hoy, dumidilim na. Wala na makita.
Okay, teka, practice. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yan.
Open ko muna.
Hoy, wala nang araw.
Welcome to Amalfi.
Tapos,
To Abby and
Cheers! Shooting! Shooting!
welcome to...
Cheers!
Okay, welcome to Amalfi. 1, 2, 3. Bilang isa-isa po. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to Amalfi.
to Abby and Nathan.
Cheers! To Abby only. Still rolling.
Ito po mga kaibigan. Lahat mo ng klase ng isusuot. Ng susuungin. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Nowhere. Okay, we're in the middle of nowhere po mga kaibigan. Yung ano po yung masasabi nyo na umaura ka, may pa-hat, ganyan, may naka-LV, may naka-Burberry. Ayan po, kaway-kaway po tayo mga kapatid. May Valentina, may naka-zebra, may mga nakasaya.
May barabos pa ako, maglalakad sa
Ayan po mga naka-aura, naka-pleats. Paramihan po ng pleats, hagdang-hagdang pala yan. At meron po...
100 steps!
Sige po, aura pa po tayo ha. Aura pa. Sige, aura. Teka po, kumustahin po natin yung may mga rayuma sa taas. Yung may mga gout. Kumusta po tayo dyan?
Hi guys! Today we're gonna do a million steps.
Tawa pa. Idaan na lang po natin sa tawa. Kung akala nyo po ay tapos na ang inyong kalbaryo, simula pa lang po ito. Kumusta po may mga rayuma na nasa taas? Oh my God!
Million steps! Look at that!
May special announcement po ako. Babalik po tayo at sarado po ang gate. Aura! Sige! Aura pa po tayo ha! Hindi po mababayaran ang naging experience namin at finally po, ayan na po. Ayan na po.
Tignan mo yung dadaanan mo.
We will now have our lunch here in Positano. My cousin who's getting married recommended this place. She said that this is the best restaurant here in Positano. Most celebrities who visit this place come and eat in this restaurant. So, let's try it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I would have a lemon choice.
I should order this. I'm not sure.
Tomato,
Pasta
if it's so
negra.
strong.
Not sure.
Thank you. Cola for you. Yeah.